Welcome to our channel. Today we how to contact USPS customer service, direct link step by step clearly. To contact USPS customer service, start by visiting the official USPS website. Once on the home page, scroll down to the footer section. Look for the customer service link and click on it. This will direct you to the customer service page. Here, you will find several options for assistance. For immediate help, click on Contact Us. You will see different ways to reach customer support. For phone assistance, find the customer service number listed. Dial the number and select the appropriate options as prompted. If you prefer online help, scroll down to the Help section. You can access FAQs that may address your concerns. If your question is not answered, select Email us to fill out a contact form. Provide all required information and a detailed description of your issue. After submitting the form, check your email for a confirmation message. Another option is to use the live chat feature, if available. Click on the live chat pop-up to connect with a representative. You can also reach USPS via social media platforms like Twitter. Visit their official account and send a direct message for assistance. For more immediate issues, consider locating your nearest post office. Visit in person for face-to-face customer service. Be sure to have any relevant documents ready for your visit. Following these steps will help you effectively contact USPS customer service. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.